All right, let's go check this house out. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Let's go inside. Ooh. You can make this how you want it. This could be your living room area, as you can see right here. This is your living room area, and you have that tall, high ceiling. So you have that lot of ceiling room. And right here, you can make here your dining room area, and you can decide where you want to put your television. There's none right here, but you can decide where you want to put one. And then right here is the kitchen. You know, you have your open kitchen. It's not big, but it's sufficient for everything that you will need. It's sufficient for everything that you will need, okay? And you know, you get your refrigerator. Okay, let's come over here, show you where you can do your laundry. All right, so this is your laundry room area. Of your washing machine, and right here, as you can see, everything's working. All right, so let's go upstairs and take a look. Yeah, so with this, it's a lot of stairs. You're gonna have about 3 or 4 floors of stairs they gotta go up to, so that's something to be aware of. But the price is very good, $650 US for renting this house, or you can call it a townhouse. And here is your first bathroom. Your first half bathroom is right here. Let's take a look. All right, and here you can make this your another living room area or office space, wherever you want to make it. You can see it's already prepared for you before. Yeah, so as you can see right here, you can put another television there, or you can set up to make your office where you're above, where you can see everything. Or you can just have it as an open space. You can even make it another room if you have visitors, somewhere they can just come and lay down. If you have a nice party or a get together with the family. So it could be good for a host because you know you have so much room. And here we are again. Now we're on the 3rd floor. This is where the bedrooms are. And this is another open area, open space. So again, you can add more stuff here if you want, like another furniture here. You can just have it open. Could make it be a coffee area, even your office space away from your room. So let's go take a look at the first room. And this is the first room right here. You get 2 beds, 1 matrimonial bed, and 1 twin bed. You get a closet, you get air conditioning. So yeah, so as you can see. So it's a lot of space. And let's check to see. You have a balcony. All right. So, and then you get the bathroom right here for your guests. It will be right here. And this is your guest bathrooms that they can come, they can shower. It's a lot of space in here. So a lot of space for this bathroom right here. All right, now let's go check out the main bedroom. As you can see right here, this is the main bedroom. Comes with a king bed. You know, so they said it just got cleaned and everything. Come with the air conditioning. You also get a balcony here. This is where you can get out. So. So as you can see, all right, so here you get your walk-in closet, his and hers, or if you have a lot of clothes, you and you. So you got a lot of space for your closet right here, and you get your own bathroom. So whenever you have family over, guests over, you don't have to worry about them being in your space. Yes, very clean, very nice, very private. See all that room that you have? All right, so we have one more place to go. Now we're gonna go up on the rooftop and see up the rooftop. You get your own private rooftop. And as I said, it's a lot of stairs, so it's a lot of walking. But I look at it as, who needs a gym when you have one at home? All right, let's go outside. And it's all white. So what it is, they sprayed here. It's like a protector, so you don't get no leak below or anything like that. It keeps it protected. And you have all this space for yourself. Yeah, it's in the rainy season right now, so it's been raining a lot. But you have all this room up here where you overlook everything. It's beautiful, right? For family get together, carne asada. I think it's great up here. You got your privacy whenever the sun is cooled down at nighttime. You can make it your home. You can put a gazebo, whatever you want to put on there. And as you can see, you got your gas tank right here and you got your water right here. So everything you need, it is covered. All right, so we will go and we'll go check out the pool area.